Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I made this creation using UV resin and some ribbon. Now, this is part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge, and the theme for this creation is Gifts Under the Tree. So I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to squeeze some UV resin into a mixing cup. Then add in 2 drops of blue pearl resin pigment, as well as 2 drops of white resin pigment. Then get a stirrer and mix up those 2 colors. Next, we're going to add in a drop of dark green color pigment, and then we're going to mix that up as well. We want to try to get a color that's similar to the Tiffany jewelry boxes that you see. Then we're going to pour the mixture into a cube mold and then put it under the UV light to cure once the mold has been filled up. Once it's been cured, remove it from the mold and hopefully you've got something that looks like this. Next step is to take a piece of ribbon and tie it around the cube like a present. Now, it may take you a couple of tries to get there because it is very little, but eventually you will, and you can always use some glue or some UV resin to help stick the ribbon down better. Once you've tied your ribbon on, hopefully you've got something that looks like this. Next, we're going to place a gold jump ring in the middle of the ribbon. Once your jump ring has been closed, you can now add a chain and turn it into a necklace. And there you have it, our Gifts Under the Tree themed charm is now complete. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, see ya!